Installing decorative Incana bricks by yourself. With Incana step-by-step instructions, you can install decorative bricks by yourself. Before installation. Before you start working, protect the surfaces that are likely to get dirty. The surface to which you plan to bond the product should be dry, clean, even, sound, and free of paint, wallpaper, or other cladding residues. Get dedicated Incana construction chemicals and the necessary tools: a tape measure, spirit level, pencil, priming brush, toothed trowel, spatula, wire brush, file, angle grinder with diamond blade for cutting concrete, drill with mixer, jointing trowel or grout bag. Don't forget gloves, safety glasses, and hearing protection. Step 1. Preparation. Use Incana dedicated construction chemicals to maintain the manufacturer's guarantee and to achieve the best results. Treat the prepared surface with Incana primer. Repeat the priming in the case of highly absorbing surfaces, for example, gypsum boards. After the primer has dried, the wall is ready for bonding the brick. Place tiles from several packages on the floor and mix them together to create a pattern that suits you best. The tile arrangement and color pattern of your choice can be moved onto the wall. Each tile should be dulled, scrubbed on the adhesive side with a wire brush, which will greatly improve the tile's adhesion to the adhesive. If necessary, sand the edge of the tile to remove any irregularities. Use Incana's highly flexible adhesive for bonding. Step 2. Installation. Start fixing the tiles from the ground after drawing a starting line. The installation begins with bonding the corner piece first. Apply the adhesive with a spatula or notched trowel on the entire tile surface and then press it evenly against the wall. Fix the product in horizontal rows in layers, following the brick pattern and checking the level. When cutting the last tile in a row, place it on the wall. Draw the cutting line according to the last piece installed. Cut the tile using an angle grinder with a diamond disc. During installation, remember to bond the tiles from several packages simultaneously. Step 3. Jointing. Start jointing after the adhesive has dried thoroughly. To fill the gaps between the tiles, use Incana jointing compound available in 4 colors, which should be prepared according to the recommendations given on the packaging. Fill a bag with the prepared mix. Then cut its end off and use it to fill the gaps between the tiles. After the initial setting, the jointing compound can be smoothed with the spatula. Once it has dried, clean the entire surface with a brush or paintbrush. Step 4. Protection. Once the installation is complete, leave the wall to dry completely. Then, treat the brick tile surface with Incana Impregnate, which makes it easier to keep the tiles clean and protects the cladding against moisture. Installing Incana brick tiles is a light redecoration work that anyone can do themselves. By following our instructions, you will get a perfect end result.